everyone. Happy Sunday to everyone. This is Irvin here. Welcome to our Forex Weekly Forecast for the week of July 12th to the 16th, 2021. So I'm going to share step by step exactly how to do every pair that I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be breaking it down with detail, showing you how our multiple time frame work, how our TWE sniper entry works, and so on. So as you all know, this is Team with Irvin. If you want the best tips, tricks, analysis, and strategy here on our Forex channel, be sure to hit and subscribe the button so you will never miss any content from us. So like that, you are up to today's day. So let me show you what the market has to offer this week, guys. And if you have any question, please go ahead and comment below so I can give you the best analysis that is possible. All right, so let's go. First of all, I want to give a shout out, guys. I think was Cam asked me to analyze USD Canadian, so I just added to that one. So shout out to Cammy for that. So AUD Cam is so it's coming next. I think I have it twice here, so oh gosh, yes, I do have it twice. I didn't even know I'm gonna have it twice, so we're gonna delete one. Boom. All right, so let me show you the next one. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you the first one that Cam asked me on here. So what I'm seeing here on USD Canadian, Cammy, is, look, I'm gonna break it down very slowly so you can see it. First thing first is pay close attention to your sniper entry. What is your sniper entry telling you the market is doing? Well, it's clearly letting you know the market is in a sell position. Except the 4 hours daily and weekly are going against those sell positions, but you should know why. So let me break it down slowly so you can see it. First thing first, here it is the following. Our multiple time frame is letting us know here that we are here in a continuation of a buy position, right? So our sniper entry, I'm sorry, so we are looking here for a very clean buy position going bullish. So hopefully that helps. Let me know if I confuse you so I can slow down. So overall here, your master trend here, Cammy, it is bullish. So all I'm looking here for is bullish. But real time at this present time, the market is giving us a pullback. So this sell position that you are seeing right now, it is a pullback, nothing else. It's just a pullback. So what's my understanding for this coming week? The pullback is gonna do the following. It's gonna be it's gonna go halfway between your 23 and your 38 Fibonacci line. From there, you will be seeing. So I would not enter on this sell position. To me, I mean, it's too late. I'm not gonna be chasing the market, so I will wait for a green arrow. Same thing what you are seeing here, same thing what you are seeing in this other example here. So I'm expecting to see here a blue arrow going where? Going bullish. Boom. So in here, and then officially I will be going in favor of this buy position here, because the trend is bullish, except that right now we just doing a pullback. So hopefully, Cammy, I don't confuse you and nothing like that. Let me know if that explains. But I'm gonna go live tomorrow. Tomorrow is Monday, so tomorrow we're gonna do a YouTube live streaming, so you guys can ask any question that you may have. So I will, clear everything, whatever doubt that you may have. So hopefully that helps, Cammy. And to all the newbies, guys, let me know in the comment below if anyone is new here, so I will go ahead and go step by step. But today, guys, we are watching our Forex weekly forecast. Yesterday, Saturday, we covered our Forex pre-week forecast video, so I will link this video that you are seeing right now on the description of this video. And for all those newbies that wants to join our multiple time frame and you're not ready yet, or you're not sure yet if this product is for you, you can join our Gold membership, so you can come on our live training classes, so you can see exactly how I break down every single trade, and from there you can decide, you know what, this is for me, this is not for me. You're gonna have 1 month access if you sign up. But if you do sign up, please let me know in the comment below, so I can give you access to our channel and so on. Okay, the only thing that you're not gonna have access is to the whole system, but at least you will learn before you you buy the system. All right, so just wanted to make sure I bring this up. And one quick thing that I need to remind everyone, guys, please guys, remember, do not invest any money you cannot afford to lose. You know, this business is very risky. If you don't know how to trade, or you want me to teach you how to trade, please let me know in the comment below, and I will be more than happy to do so for you. So that's a quick disclaimer in there. All right, so let me show you the next pair that I have for you. The next pair that I have here, it is AUD/USD. This is gold. So gold right now at this present time, guys, gold, it is in a buy position. So we are clearly in uptrend. So let me break it down. Like I said in the early stage, look at that. Boom, multiple time frame is going bullish. What is your sniper entry doing? Sniper entry is going bullish. What is your TWE trend candle doing? Look at that. TWE trend candle is also going bullish. So I'm super excited for that. So this is exactly what the market is doing at this present time. Market is still bullish. What is my understanding for this coming week? The market already gave us a heads up. Hey, I'm getting ready for a pullback. So this is a pullback based on the sniper entry, right? So we're going against. But don't get me wrong, the overall goal, it is in a sell position. So what I'm seeing here for this coming week, guys, the market will retrace back down to our 23.6 Fibonacci line. From there, market will take reinforcement back to normal trend. Remember, we are looking here for a green arrow, right? Green arrow is gonna be somewhere in here. So it's gonna, this pullback that you are seeing here, this retracement here, is gonna make your buy position stronger. And that's what you are looking for here. You're looking for that particular strong scenario, so you can boom go bullish in favor of the trend. And then by then it's gonna be Wednesday, the market is gonna make a small retracement, or it will go continue as a buy position. But I want you to kind of like look what the market is doing. Someone asked me, hey Irving, can you also analyze USD peso? And really, to be honest, I don't know why I totally forgot to bring that up, but I will do it on probably on Monday. That person that asked that question on YouTube, I will do it tomorrow on a live streaming, so you can see it, because I just realized that I had 2 pair of the USD Canadian repeated, so I'm not gonna redo another one. All right, so and guys, please, to all of you guys, if you are funding, since I already have you here, let me ask you a question, guys. Is this Forex weekly forecast make sense to you? If it does, please comment below TWE, or let me know, so I will know that I'm doing the best of the best. So, and also, guys, hopefully you guys are finding some value on this video. If you are, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up, so that can help the algorithm of our channel. So like that, you guys gonna make me more excited to make more videos, so we can roll. And anyway, subscribing is not gonna cost you anything, guys. It is free. It's free. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button and boom. But if you guys want me to teach you how to trade, join our Gold membership and you will get access to our live streaming, so you will never miss any content from us. So the link is in the description of this video. Come and join us. All right, so let me show you the next pair, guys. The next pair that I have for you, it is EURUSD. Someone asked me, Irvin, yes, EURUSD, make sure you add it. So the only pair that I totally forgot to add was the USD peso, the Mexican peso. So, but here it is. Here it is, EURUSD. Let me break down this pair very slowly, guys. First thing first, always ask yourself in which direction I'm gonna be trading this week. Look at here. So 50 minutes to 4 hours, the market is still in a bullish position. I'm gonna break down. I'm gonna go to 1 hour and 30 minutes so you can see the breakdown, right? So now what is your multiple time frame going in the direction of the trend. So in here, guys, at this present time, guess what? Market, it is giving us a confirmation here that we are selling. Our sniping entry is also letting us know that we are selling. And look at what the market is doing. Boom! Market is doing exactly what you are seeing at this present time. So it is selling. So real time is all it matters to me, right? So that's how we make money. This is, like I always mention it to you guys, here in our TWE trend channel, we like to analyze data that does not exist yet. What is going to happen tomorrow, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday? That's the data that we don't have here. We don't care what already happens in the past, even though there are a lot of older traders, they love to teach you back data. Have you ever asked yourself why? The reason they do that is because they need to look good. So I don't want to do that. I just want to show you what data that does not exist. But anyway, let me show you right now, guys. The market is doing the following on EURUSD. Market is giving us a pullback at this present time. So pullback still active for this coming week, guys. Market will still continue up all the way, retesting your 23 Fibonacci line. From there, market will retrace back, making this buy position stronger. And most likely what we're gonna be seeing in this area here is we are gonna be seeing our TWE sniping entry, letting us know that we are officially in a buy position. So this is what we're looking for at this area, and boom, market will go currently based on what I'm seeing at this present time. You're gonna come back with me on Wednesday. So look, there's no data right now, guys. When you come back on Wednesday, you're gonna be like, damn, everything was right on point. And that is my goal in this business here. Pay close attention to your dashboard, guys. Let's analyze 1 hour and 30 minutes. Look at here, the dashboard is clean, telling you, hey, I'm in a buy position. All right, let's go to 1 hour and 30 minutes so you can see how accurate our TWE sniping entry is and our multiple time frame system. So now let me show you what 1 hour is doing, and then we take it from there. Okay. All right, so perfect. Look at this one. So we're gonna go to 1 hour. 1 hour is telling us that we are in a buy position. So we're gonna go to 1 hour, and boom! Look at that. You tell me, is the market doing is bullish or not? Look at this bullish position, guys. Look at that. Boom! It's going up. So that means that our 1 hour matches our rules. So let's now go to 30 minutes, and let's see if 30 minutes it is also in a buy position. Right, so let's check and let's see if 30 minutes is also in a buy position. Right, so we're gonna go to 30 minutes and we see. Let's go. Look at that clean, guys. You tell me if this didn't work. Look at this one. Boom! Market went exactly what I told you. So far, so good. So there it is. So this week, guys, market will be in a bullish position. Looking forward to do business with each and every one of you. So once again, this is what I'm seeing at this market trend. If you guys want to join our gold membership, you are more than welcome to do so. Get yourself wet first before you purchase our software, and then you can start trading our next week with us. Once again, guys, today we are analyzing our Forex weekly forecast for the week of July 12th to the 16th. So looking forward to see you on the other side of the aisles, and make sure and thank you for watching, and I will see you on tomorrow's video. And don't forget to share it with your other fellow traders, and be sure to subscribe. Hasta la vista. See you tomorrow, guys. Peace out.